That's what my dad would say. Hey, little baby. We didn't get to Pittsburgh much, it was 30 miles away. I didn't lose nothing there, that's what my dad would say. Had little basement shop and radio. I heard country music and it never let me go. We took a correspondence course that he got in the mail. Bonafide filled with pride, he learned to fix things well. Dressed like a working man, smiled like a millionaire. Cause the sun said, HTV repair.
Vous êtes sur le troisième mur. Attention, il va y avoir le restart. Coaster steps, ton
He'd
début.
fix anything in town if he could find the part. He taught me how to stand my ground and how to trust my heart. My mama was the only one that he ever loved. Sparkles in his hazel eyes told you just
Et
as
attention, le tag. Début.
he took a correspondence course that he got in the mail. Bonafide filled with pride, he learned to fix things well. Dressed like a working man, smiled like a millionaire. Cause the sun said, HTV repair. Some things I've forgotten, some things fade away. One thing is so clear to me, burned into my brain. The sound that my brother made way back when we were kids, to this day still stands for who he was
Attention,
and what he
le
did.
tag. Dernier,
He
début.
took a correspondence course that he got in the mail. Bonafide filled with pride, he learned to fix things well. Dressed like a working man, smiled like a millionaire. Cause the sun said, HTV repair. Yeah, sometimes I'm on seeing standing there. Then he's
Fini, step demi-tour step. Des steps tout complet. Bravo.
Then he's TV repair.